Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add details on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. After you come across this home page, click on the profile icon in the top section of your screen. Now click on Edit Profile option. Here, scroll down your screen. Click on Add under Details option. Here you can customize your details and can be viewed by public. After you filled out your details, click on the Save button. And here you can see that your details have been updated. And that is how you can add details on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.